Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to convert ETH to BNB in Trust Wallet. So if you also want to convert ETH to BNB in Trust Wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Trust Wallet. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Once you complete the authentication, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So converting from ETH to BNB is very simple. All you have to do is look at bottom. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for home, swap, earn and discover. All you have to do is tap on the swap option that you can see at the second. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see two sections, from and to. Simply tap on the crypto that is selected in the from section. Over here, you'll have to select ETH. Simply search for ETH. You'll be able to find ETH over here. If you do not find it over here, simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in ETH. You'll be able to see the result for ETH over here. Simply tap on it. Now what you have to do is tap on the crypto that is selected in the to section. Now over here you'll have to select BNB. Simply tap on the crypto BNB. Now you'll be able to convert ETH to BNB. All you have to do is enter the amount that you want to convert. Simply tap right over here, enter the amount. You'll also be able to see the receiving amount over here. You'll also be able to see the rate. Also, you'll be able to find the information regarding provider fee and slippage tolerance. Right now, I do not have sufficient ETH balance. But if you have sufficient ETH balance, over here you'll be able to find the option for continue. All you have to do is tap on it. This will lead you to another interface. Now what you have to do is follow through the prompts and complete the transaction. After that, your ETH will be converted to BNB. So that is how you convert ETH to BNB in Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.